Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix headphones not detected on your Motorola Moto G06 Power. So first, if you got a jack headphones, then I recommend checking them out with another device to make sure that they are working. Now, you can also inspect the headphone jack for any visible damage or debris. So, the headphone jack is up here. Now, if you've got headphones, and as you guys can see, mine are connected now, but if you do not have them and you do not see the icon right here, the headphone icon, then you won't be able to use them, and they're basically unconnected. So now, we can definitely see that they are connected by this icon. Now I'm gonna unplug them, and this icon will disappear. So first, check your headphone port. Now, if there's something wrong with your headphone port, then you better check the headphones if they are working with another device. And if they're not, then it's the issue with your headphones. But if they do, then it might be the issue of your headphone jack, and you might want to get that fixed. Now, of course, it doesn't have to be the headphone jack. It might be the glitch of the phone, so you guys can try and restart it. So, go over, click power, and then volume up. Now, click on restart and wait for your phone to turn back on. So, I'll see you guys in a second. So, after the restart, what you guys can do is try another pair of headphones to make sure that your original ones are definitely working. Now, what you guys can also do is update your software. It might fix the issue of your headphones not being detected by the device. So go over to the settings, and right here in the settings, we want to go over and swipe down until we see the system updates. Now we want to click check for updates, and we need to make sure that we are connected to the Wi-Fi network. And as you guys can see, everything looks good for me. So that means I'm using the latest version of the software. And if you don't, then I recommend you guys updating it because it can fix a lot of issues, including this one. Now, what you guys can do is use a toothpick or a small brush to carefully remove any dust or debris from the headphone jack. We've talked about it earlier in the video to check the headphone jack for any visible damage or debris. But if there is something in it, then we want to use either a toothpick or a small brush to carefully remove everything. Now, if none of those steps above work, then the headphone jack might be faulty, and I would recommend visiting a service center for a checkup. Now, for the Bluetooth headphones, what you guys can do is go over to the settings and swipe to the connected devices. Here, go to connection preferences and then go over to Bluetooth. Here, my Bluetooth is off, but if it is on, then we want to turn it off and then turn it on again to restart it. Now, if you've got your headphones connected, then try and forget them and then repair them again with device, and make sure that they are charged to 100%, because sometimes it might also cause some issues. And make sure to avoid any Wi-Fi or device interference. So for an example, your headphones are connecting to the wrong device, and that might cause the entire problem. So if none of it worked, then I would recommend visiting the service center or checking up your headphones. So that's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.